Well, I got challenged by Coyote Wacker to put my hand in a trap. I was going to do an unboxing video anyways. Ordered some stuff for bobcat season, and got something in the driveway I'm going to show you guys. Anyways, let's get in the video. All right, I'm not sticking my hand in that one. I figured since I got challenged by Coyote Wacker, he challenged me and Bill Duke, I might as well stick my hand in a Duke trap. This is a Duke 650, and I have 550 next, so there you go. Look, no broken bones, no broken hands. That's a 4-coiled 650, 4-coiled 550. I'm gonna challenge Coon Creek Outdoors. And I'm gonna challenge my buddy Pete. I'll have a link in his description down. I don't remember what he had his channel set as. So yeah. Anyways, we'll get into the unboxing. I ordered some stuff for bobcat season. It all kind of finally came. I also ordered some stuff for a little bit of fur handling and things like that. And I won the outdoor mic. I won the outdoor mic 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So we're gonna start with that box right now. Comes with a, I think you said this is a 15 ounce Yeti Rambler with his logo on it. See it there. I like Yetis, I got quite a few. Comes with a survival knife. I've already opened everything. Rock. Decent edge. We got a few of his stickers for his channel. Go check them out. Outdoor mic. We got a, I think this is a tactical pin. Tactical pin. And then it comes with a book, The Ultimate Self-Survivalist. Self-sufficiency, wow. My dyslexia is hitting hard today. I know it's gonna be backwards for you guys, but so that's all that I got in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I do appreciate it. I want to throw a great shout out to Outdoor Mike for having a good channel, and I see that he just caught his second cat today. So hopefully we'll get a video out and be able to see it. So I did end up picking up some blades for my skinning knife, fleshing knife. I bought I don't know, a dozen of these at a store or whatever. But I picked up some Weeby blades, Wicked Sharp, not sponsored by anybody, by the way. And then we'll get into my my order from Schmitz. I picked up some belly wedges for my mink boards. I bought some boards at last year's first sale, last year's first sale in March, and apparently I didn't get the belly boards for it. So I have, I don't know, 4 or 5 mink from last year and a mink and a mink I caught this year that I still need boards. So then I picked up some new stretchers. These are top lot splittable stretchers for coyotes and bobcats. Mainly these ones are going to be used for bobcats. I don't know if they're the best. I just know that they're, you know, these are the ones that I ordered. So anyways, I ordered 2 of those. I have 2 already. I like to store kind of my stuff in little jars and stuff, so I picked up some 9-ounce jars. I got 4 of them. I got a bottle of bobcat urine, because that's what we're going to be going to set tomorrow. We're going to be setting bobcat traps. I still haven't gone out. Today was opening day. Didn't get that taken care of because I'm supposed to go take care of some stuff for the thing that's sitting in the driveway. And yeah, something happened and it didn't go through. So, and then I picked up some latex can covers. I went off of what they said on there. Like, this says these are for a size 2, and these are for like 3s and 4s. I think these things are huge. These are way too big. I might cut these ones down. It'll give me half of, or double what I have if I do. And then these are going to work pretty well. I think these are going to work really well in my 650s. I do have about 3 dozen traps, I think, total that I'm going to use for bobcats. I'm going to use a bunch of 550s and some 650s. So that being said, I think that's it. We're going to go take a look at what's sitting in the driveway. Get back. All right, well, this is a 14-foot V-nose Cargo Express cargo trailer. Foreshadowing. Looks like an XL series. I've never owned a trailer like this, so this is going to be kind of a first for me. We're going to take a look at what's inside the trailer because I'm really, really excited. This is going to be the first time I've ever owned one of these. Trying to do this one-handed. And there it is. That's the back of it. This is a Polaris Ranger 800. Yes, it is used, but I got it for a really, really good deal. 2-seater. It's got a little extra rack and stuff like that on the back with the tire. I can't get it out of the trailer right yet. Like I said, I don't want to drive it and stuff until I get the stuff done for it. But it's got 4-point harnesses. I did take it up and down the driveway just a little bit to kind of make sure everything was working and there wasn't no problems with it. But I'm not actually going to take it out and do anything with it. So, yeah, it's going to help me out with my trap line a ton. I was able to pick this up for a really, really good deal with the trailer included. So, yeah. But yeah, this is a 2013 Polaris Razor. Sorry, give me a second here. I really like this. It sounds good, runs good. I don't really have any issues with it. I can't wait to actually get it out and get it on the trap line. It's gonna, like I said, it's gonna help out so much in the way of being able to get to my sets and things like that when the snow comes, when it gets really, really deep. All right, well, it's cold out there. Thanks for coming and checking out my content. Like I said, I challenged my buddy Pete. I will get his channel down in the description. And Coon Creek Outdoors. I don't know if Coon Creek's even gonna see my video. Kind of a small guy like me. But if you guys would share it and let him know. And we'll go ahead and you guys have a wonderful evening. Well, messy house. You guys have a wonderful evening. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.